Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Virgo at Sign. This is February weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Virgo. What are the messages for Virgo? It's Sign. Okay, first card, Four of Swords, the Devil, and Nine of Pentacles. Knight of Swords, Ten of Cups, and Seven of Cups. Four of Pentacles. You are holding back, Virgo. It could be any reason, but you are holding back. Maybe in career wise also you are holding back your investments. But in relationship, you are holding back your emotions, your feelings towards your person. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Four of Swords, the Devil, and Nine of Pentacles. You are not talking to your person. Maybe you are in no contact situation right now. Four of Swords energy because the Devil. Maybe your person is very dominative. They're in and out of your life. There is no commitment. On and off connection this could be. Because Knight of Swords here. Because Knight's always in and out of our lives. So that's why. And Devil also. Maybe your person is addicted to some bad habits. There is obsession causing resistance in this connection, but you are investing energy on yourself, you are working on yourself, you are concentrating on your career, you are creating more money and success because Nine of Pentacles. If not in near future it will be. And the present, Knight of Swords and Ten of Cups, Seven of Cups. Maybe you are having options also in career wise. And Knight of Swords. Maybe someone is coming towards you. It could be past or new. They're rushing to talk with you. There is some communication is coming in your way because Knight of Swords. Maybe you're in some confusion state, Virgo. You want this happiness with this person, but it is not happening because they are coming back with Knight, not a king. That's why you are in some confusion state. But you want this happiness with your person. For some, it could be third party situation. Children's also involved in this connection. And future, Two of Swords, the Sun, and Eight of Cups. You want this happiness with this person, but it was not happening for some. That's why you decided to move on from this person because you already stand by your power. Now you are no more dependent on anyone because you are taking your power back. Because you are at some crossroads, you are not trusting them because they are coming back to communicate with you. For some, it could be third party children's also involved. That is the issue also. That's why you decided to move on from this person. That's why you are holding back. There is no commitment, there is no trust in this relationship. So the person involved in this connection could be Lord of Water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, then Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Air energy, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Capricorn. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Judgment under the deck. Maybe your person still now they are not clear what they want and what they don't want. They are going to be make some major decision. Seven of Swords here. Lot of cards. 1 minute, guys. Okay, two cards. But I am not taking because two cards. So let's see your person current feelings. Virgo. Strength. Nine of Swords. Three of Wands. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. And Five of Pentacles. There is separation, cold shouldering. Definitely you person suffering in silence. They're thinking about you a lot. They're missing you so much because Nine of Swords with Five of Pentacles. They're getting a lot of thoughts. They're thinking about you when they are alone. They want to overcome this energy. They're working on yourself, the strength card. And Three of Wands. Maybe they're waiting for you. There is a lot of waiting going between you and your person. There is some waiting. Your person waiting for something. So let's see the near future actions. Virgo, your person near future actions towards you. Page of Pentacles. Okay. Chariot and Wheel of Fortune. Wow. Yeah. They're waiting for the right time to come towards you. Because the Star, they're still hoping new beginnings with you. Maybe they're now realizing your worth. After you walked away, they're thinking about you a lot. They're missing you so much. They started missing you so much. Then Page of Pentacles, they want to communicate with you. They want to send some message. Chariot. Yeah, they're waiting for the right time. They're taking it very slow, but still there is some movement. Everything is in divine timing because Wheel of Fortune. With Three of Wands, they're thinking and waiting for the right time to come towards you. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Cancer, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Two cards. Page of Wands and Page of Cups. Yeah. Maybe your person is immature. Under the deck, the Hermit. Now they're recognizing your worst. Now they're thinking about everything which had happened between both of you. Your person undergoing some spiritual awakening. They're healing their self. And Page of Wands with Page of Cups. Communication, apology is coming. One person is younger than the other person in this connection. There is an age gap. Yeah, your person is immature in nature. Seven of Swords. Maybe they hurt you in past. Maybe they lied to you, cheated on you. Yeah, waiting. You also thinking about them a lot and missing your person a lot. Because Three of Wands with you both are on the same page because you both got same cards. They also got Three of Wands with the Nine of Swords, and you also, yeah, there is a lot of passion. Still there is a lot of attraction between both of you. Ace of Wands and new beginnings. You both are very passionate about each other. You both are attracted to each other. There is a chances for new beginnings between both of you. Yeah, they're taking it very slow in divine timing, but communication is coming and new beginnings. Yeah, success in this connection. Definitely there will be reconciliation with Ace of Wands with Six of Wands. So a lot of fire energy. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your overall energy, Virgo, for the week. Justice, second chances. Page of Pentacles, communication. Nine of Cups, wish fulfillment. And Queen of Swords. You are very clear what you want and what don't you want. Okay. Queen of Swords. Communication and clarity is coming. And your wishes are going to be granted. Yeah. But it is very slow moving energy. You have to be patient. Because right now your person may be undergoing some hermit mode. So it will take some time. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Five of Cups, they're feeling very alone. They're suffering in silence. And the Devil, they're obsessed with you. They're obsessively thinking about you. And Nine of Cups. See, you both are on the same page. Nine of Cups, they're also wishing for this, the world. This could be long distance. For some, the same cycle repeating between you and this person again and again. Okay, and again. Yeah, King of Pentacles. They want to offer stability. Yeah. It is the world again, divine timing. Yeah, they're missing you. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck. Virgo, your person missing you so much. You also missing them so much. Lot of missing, lot of waiting in this connection. But still there is attraction. Everything in divine timing. So the first card, the answers you need are coming. Okay. So this is the message from Moon Oracle deck. The answers you need are coming when especially full moon in Gemini. So if you are seeing for any answers, so for your questions, those answers are coming. This is the message from universe. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.